Good morning, class 11. Welcome to accountancy period. The chapter final account with adjustment is in progress, and we are doing very important transaction which is known as bad debts and provision for bad debts. Today we are doing illustration number 6. The name of the company is Amrit Raz. Amrit Raz. Amrit Raz. As I told earlier also, we will start our sum with the numeric adjustment. So here we are working here on 31st March 2017. Right? Now closing stock as usual, trading account credit side, buy closing stock 4,340 rupees, and balance sheet asset side closing stock 4,340 rupees. The narration is journal entry is closing stock account debit to trading accounts. Second adjustment, commission include rupees 300 being commission received in advance. We are getting commission in advance. So first let us find commission whether it is given in balance trial balance or not. And here commission is given 900 rupees. It is given in the credit side of trial balance. So what does it mean? It is our income. So here we are going to show buy commission 900 rupees and advance commission received. It means it belongs to next year 300 rupees. The remaining commission is 600 and any income received in advance is our liability. Advance commission received. Advance commission received 300. If you want to pass journal entry, commission account debit to unaccrued commission. Commission debit because earlier commission was our income. This income credited by credited 300 rupees more. Now we are debiting commission account debit to unaccrued commission because it becomes our liability. Next point, salary have been paid for 11 months. So let us find salary. Salary is given to us 4400. Salary is given to us 4400 rupees. 4400. And some says that this salary is for 11 months. So divide by 11. It means per month salary is 400 rupees. Per month salary is 400 rupees. They have given salary only for 11 months. In each business we have to pay salary for 12 months. So what does it mean? It means 1 month is outstanding. Outstanding salary plus 400. So it becomes 4800 here. And outstanding salary is our liability. That's why outstanding salary 400 rupees. Journal entry will be salary account debit to outstanding salary. Why salary debited? Because it is expense for this year. That's why I have added it over here. And I have not paid it yet. It becomes my liability. Next point. Bank loan has been taken at the 10% per annum interest rate. Bank loan. Let us find the bank loan is given 5,000 rupees. Bank loan is our liability. Bank loan 5,000. The sum says that 10% interest rate. So to 5,000 into 10%, so our interest becomes 500 rupees. Let us see. Do we have interest on bank loan earlier? Yes, sir. We have given 300 rupees interest on bank loan. It is our expense. Interest on loan 300 rupees. Total interest become 500. Already given 300. What does it mean, sir? It means add outstanding interest 200 rupees. And it has not paid yet. It becomes our liability as usual. Interest on loan account debit. Interest on loan account debit to outstanding interest. Depreciate building and scooter by 15%. I think we can do it very nicely. Show furniture and scooter and deduct depreciation, and that depreciation will be transferred into profit and loss account. Journal entry will be depreciation account debit to furniture to scooter. Last and important adjustment is write off rupees 200 as bad debts and a provision for bad debts at 5%. Both are related with the debtors. Both items are related with the debtors. So first let us find debtors given in the trial balance, and debtors are given rupees 3000 rupees, and now some says that rupees 200 as further bad debts, so less bad debts, because due to bad debts our debtors will reduce, so remaining debtors are 2800, and then less provision. On the remaining amount we are going to create provision. 5% becomes 140, 18 28 5s are, so the remaining debtors are 2660. Now both are adjustment, both will be going into profit and loss. I told earlier, sir, two bad debts given in trial balance, add further bad debts, it is rupees 200 plus add new provision 140 and less old provision. If it is given to us, we will deduct. Whenever you find bad debts and provision for bad debts from debtors, first we will deduct bad debts, then we will create provision. I told in my previous lecture also, do not reverse it. First do not deduct provision, then do not deduct bad debts. It will be wrong, right? And here the 4-line equation always write, if item is not given we can put dash, but if item is given then this working becomes so easy. In this way we have completed our whole adjustment. Let us come to the trial balance. First we have given capital, it is our liability, balance sheet, liability side 25,000 rupees. Building is our assets, we are going to show into balance sheet asset side, it is rupees 30,000 building. And the next item is furniture and scooter. I told already, from both item we are going to deduct depreciation. Next item is return inward and return outward. Return inward is which return, dear? It is sales return. It is given in the debit side, so we are going to deduct it from sales. And return outward, which is given in the credit side of trial balance, it means it is परचेज रिटर्न, क्योंकि परचेज ट्रायल बैलेंस के डेबिट में आती है तो परचेज रिटर्न हमेशा क्रेडिट में आएगी, अपोजिट नेचर. एंड दैट रिटर्न आउटवर्ड वी आर गोइंग टू डिडक्ट फ्रॉम परचेज. नेक्स्ट, स्टॉक ऑन 1st April 2016. 1st April 2016 is opening date, so it is opening stock which we are going to show into trading account debit side. Then purchase and sale, purchase debit side, sales credit side. Bad debts, they are given of rupees 300. This is the bad debts. First bad debts given in the trial balance, add further bad debts given in the adjustment, add new provision given in the adjustment. Now its total become dear 640 rupees, right? Next item, we have given carries inward, trading account debit side, general expense, profit and loss debit side. Now it is given bad debts provision 700, so less bad debts provision. Now here little bit new point is there, sir. Our total loss is going to occur 640, but our old provision is 700, so it means this figure come minus. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, हमने लास्ट ईयर 60 रुपए का प्रोविजन ज्यादा बनाया हुआ है, 700 का प्रोविजन था और हमारा हिस्सा लॉस हुआ 640, तो इट बिकम्स आवर इनकम. तो डोंट शो एनी फिगर ओवर हियर. व्हाट टू डू, ट्रांसफर दिस फिगर, ट्रांसफर इनटू क्रेडिट साइड. इस आइटम को कहां लिख देंगे, क्रेडिट में लिख देंगे सर, बाय प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेट्स 60 रुपीस. हमारा यहाँ लॉस ना होकर के प्रॉफिट हो गया. हमने लास्ट ईयर 700 रुपए का प्रोविजन बनाया था, इस साल हमारा जो लॉस हुआ 300 रुपए का बैड डेट्स, 200 रुपए का फर्दर बैड डेट्स और 140 रुपए का हमने प्रोविजन बनाया है. तो टोटल हमारा जो प्रॉफिट कम होने जा रहा है 640 से, प्रोविजन ज्यादा है तो 60 रुपए का माइनस फिगर हो गया. This 60 rupees minus figure we will put over dash and then transfer it into credit side. This was our new change. Bank loan we have done, interest on loan done, commission done. जो आइटम पहले कर चुके हैं do not touch to them. Then insurance and tax expense, profit and loss debit side, scooter expense, profit and loss debit side, salary done, cash in hand is our assets, debtor we have done, and creditor liability side. In this way, today we have done one more sum related to this lesson, final account with adjustment. Keep on doing this sum. Chapter is easy. More practice will help a lot to you to solve these sums. Thank you.